Okay, good morning, class. Let's start our lesson today with a warm greeting and prayer. I hope everyone is ready to learn. Okay, before we begin, let's take attendance to make sure everyone is present. Please raise your hand and when I call your name. Today, we will continue our study on integral calculus, specifically focusing on the topic area between two curves. This concept is essential in various real-life applications that determine the area and a building. Now, let's have a quick discussion. Can anyone tell me what's come to mind when you think about area of land and building? What shapes do you think they can have? Are they always a square or a rectangle? Rectangle? That's right. Building and land can have various shapes, including curves and arcs. Today, we will explore how to calculate the area between two curves. Okay, to get started, let's recall what we learned last week about integral. Can anyone explain what an integral is and its relationship to the area under a curve? Okay, good. That's right. I will reply that integral is a mathematical concept used to calculate the total value or area of a function between 2 points on its graph. The definite integral from point A to point B represents the area under the curve between this point. Okay. Now let's move on the main objective of today's lesson. By the end of this class, you should be able to determine the formula for finding the area bounded with two or more curves using the problem-based learning model. Okay. For those of you with more advanced mathematics skill, you will also learn how to construct a curve that can solve a given problem. Okay. 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 Next, I will continue. To illustrate the concept, let's take a real-world problem. Okay, I will show you in. I will give you a vision. Show you PowerPoint. Here a sketch of Mr. Sutomo. An officer from the National Land Agency is trying to determine the land area based on this sketch. They have used GeoGebra. Okay, you have know about the GeoGebra last week, and we use GeoGebra application again. That's to create a display for analysis. That okay. What you text, and I will give you a text to discuss between your friends. Your text is to help the officer calculate the land area considering the scale of one, I think 1,500. We will use GeoGebra to find the approximate function that represent the scales, and please discuss in your group and try to find the function. Okay. Uh, and I will recall. Let's remember the process involves the importing the sketch into the GeoGebra and adjusting the opacity to make it transparent. It can use you to fixing several points on the sketch and then using a fit poly function to create a curve that represents the sketch. From there we can and finally we find the polynomial function approximately. Okay, next. I will take some time to work of the problem and use the GeoGebra to find the function. Feel free to ask a question if you encounter any difficulties. I will be here to assist you. Okay. If you have difficult to anything or import the picture, I will give you a small help to easy you to find and done the program. Okay, and once your group has found the function, use it and calculate the area between the two curves by setting up the fixed integral for each segment. Record your finding on the worksheet and profile. Okay, and while you are working of the problem, we'll be monitoring its scope and answering any question you might have. Remember to discuss the and collaborate with your friend and with your group, friend in your group, as the many multiple approach to solve the problem. And first, don't see the problem in one side, but see on the other side. And uh, I think you will find a good fake about the problem and give you a good 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 answer, good answer. Yes, and then answer give you done the problems to solve in the work. Okay, after that is if you once your group is done, share a message to request your finding to the class. The group will have the opportunity to respond and provide feedback to alternative solution. If you have a different answer with another group, I think you feel free to give your opinion and what is different with answer with your group. Okay, and then okay next and then okay and that as we analyze and apply the problem solving process, I encourage everyone to actively participate by asking questions, providing the response, offering suggestion, and so on. This will help us to deeper understanding of determine the area better curves using the integral. Okay, okay. Then, in conclusion, today lesson has focused on finding the area between two curves using integral. We have explored real problem scenario and used GeoGebra to approximate the function, representing the sketch. Okay, by calculating the finite integral, we are able to define the run area. That is the run area of matrix Sutomo range. Uh, okay, I think that's our today research. And remember, mathematics is not just about solving equation. Okay, it has practical application in our daily life, and the mathematics is very useful for you if you find a problem in your life. Think that mathematics is useful, not difficult or anything. And keep exploring the applying this concept, and you will be able to solve even more complex problem in the future on anything. Okay, I think that's well done, everyone. Guys, have a good day. I will see you next time. Bye bye.